Hello everybody, welcome to Edward the Man-Eating Train. I've played this game a lot. As you can see, I have a marksman and a Earnshaw, both legendary. I have the highest rank I think that you can get. I think this is the highest rank. I haven't played in a while. But yeah. So, there's going to be multiple parts of this series. I'm going to try and get better at this game until I get so good I can, beat Nightmare. Oh, hey, my friend's here. So yeah, this is my friend on Roblox. Yeah. He's one of my friends. Why is this so... I'm not gonna do this. Okay. By the way, sorry guys, I'm not talking. It's just, yeah. I can't really speak when typing. That's one of the things. Should I continue this series, by the way? Leave it down in the comments. Load. Oh crap. Oh, come on. He threw me. The train. Come on, he threw me off the train. Yeah, I don't know if you guys saw that, because that happened so fast. He just banged on the side of me, and then I blew up. If you're wondering, we've been friends for a long time. To me, Edward the Man-Eating Train, if the people who made this, if you see this video, please add a new update. Oh, like, add more weapons, because I know you updated it somewhat recently, but, just please update it. Because, I'd like to see some new things. And soon, I'm actually going to be making a series off of this, like a story. So, yeah. If you see this, just comment down. We are the owners. But also, you have to have some videos about it for me to believe you. What? Didn't he fall? I'm not gonna ask. Even if my friend was hacking, I don't really care. I wonder what I'm gonna get. By the way, I'm gonna get I have a new cart that I'm getting soon. So yeah, I might post another video today. Because I'm getting a new cart in this game. And also, I want to at least post 2 videos from this game every day. Skibidi is taking over. Oh, I want to go see that before this thing. By the way, just saying, even if my rank, this is the highest rank you can get, I'm not the best at the game. I'm actually pretty bad. Yeah. Because for some reason, Edward targets me. I swear, developers, if you did this to me, I'm gonna come find you. But anyways, why do you have snipers and shotguns? Why do you have a machine gun? So I might end soon, by the way, guys, because for some reason I can only record for a certain amount of time, which is what. Did I see that? You know, I'm not gonna ask. Also, have you heard of that new thing that's been happening in Roblox recently? Yeah, apparently there's a hacker going around. I saw it on YouTube, but I haven't seen the video since. I think it's another fake one, but it was like the hacker was their name was Freddy, I think, if I remember correctly, because I can't remember. Great. Buy one. I've gotta agree. There's some crap things about this game. Like, if you're the first, if there's many people on the train, the more, what the heck? 585 journey! Sometimes when you have more journeys, though, it'll target you. So yeah. By the way, comment down if I should do a challenge in this video where I can't use this specific thing until I get that tank. If you know. By the way, I recommend you go play this game because this game is pretty fun. It's just like Choo Choo. Well, not just like Choo Choo Charles, but it's pretty similar. Similar. What? By the way, just saying, not below. Foxy wasn't supposed to win. That was not in the script. Oh crap, he has a gun. Okay, why won't it pick up? Stupid gun. Sorry guys that I'm not talking much. It's just I want to get this. I want to kill him because I've not really killed him before. Oh god, die! Get some headshot. Oh crap! Oh, I have no ammo. Oh crap! I can't let my gun. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! I swear, if he starts. Oh, is he running? Yay! By the way, if you haven't heard, about this game. I'll try to find out if I can link it in the comments. Because I've never done that before. Because, you know, I'm still a newish channel. 10 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna have to leave soon, guys. I think that, is this the longest video yet? Comment down below. Actually, no, don't. You don't have to. I'll just have to. Oh, God. How did I just notice that? I need to check the recording if that's there. Wait, he's coming, I think. Is that why the lights flicker? Oh, God. How can a pistol do that? Is he here? Oh, God, yes, he is. I can't even hit him. I need to wait until he comes over here. Oh, crap, that's a gun. No. Oh, this person has a tank? By the way, this is, when I was saying about the tank, this is what I mean. I'm lagging. Don't friend me right now, please. Oh, gosh. I need to get to that tank. No! Why is it so hard to get? By the way, the only reason I'm sending subs is because if you didn't know, this is not my main account. Well, it kinda is, but this is my like main second account because but I play more on this because my other account is it lags a lot. That's why see this. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go see, and just so you know, play Edward the Man-Eating Trainer, or I'll be forced to eat your hair, unless your hair's not bacon. See ya.